How to get free coins on WEBTOON. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can get free coins on WEBTOON. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the WEBTOON app on your phone, and now here, once the app opens, you'll be prompted to the home page. Now from here, you can just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in the profile section, you can just tap on the three dot icon, which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are on the new page, you can just tap on the button that says buy coin. But don't worry, you're not going to buy anything. Now from here, you can simply scroll down and there you can see the option labeled as redeem free coins. So simply tap on it. Now here, WEBTOON will ask you to enter the promo code. So here, you can enter the promo code by simply going to any web browser, and here you can simply search for WEBTOON promo code, and from here you can simply get any promo codes that's been listed for the WEBTOON, and from here you can simply copy the code and simply put it here, and once you're done with it you can just tap on apply, and if the code is valid you'll receive free WEBTOON coins instantly. And that's it. That's how you can get a free coins on WEBTOON easily. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.